Whoa. Breaking news. There's Black Friday sales before Black Friday. When did pre-Black Friday sales become a thing? We gotta look into this more closely. Let's investigate. Hey everyone, it's your boy Tech back at it again with another video. With Black Friday on the horizon, a lot of you may be looking for upgrading, and some of you may be on the old Zen 2 or Zen 3 architectures and looking towards the Zen 4 because Zen 3 was kind of a disappointment. However, I did stumble across just scoping around some early pre-Black Friday sales, and I came across some really good deals that I had to share. One of them is from the 16-core 7950X non-3D from last gen, Zen 4. Another is for the 7700X 8-core, which is very popular as well as for the gamers out there that just do gaming. And then for more middle balanced kind of people that are hobbyists, so to speak, they have the Zen 5 12-core, which is down to $382. So for all these three CPUs are really great at what they do. And let's start from the top with the 7950X 16-core. It was a big hit when it released, and right now Amazon have it like $250 less. It's usually at $699, but Amazon has it at $465. So that's roughly like $230 off. So that's a really big discount. So for you heavy content creators, multiple streaming, all that kind of heavy workloads, this is a really good deal you can't pass up, and they've been going pretty fast. So if you're interested in that, check the link below in the description for the 7950X 16-core. Next up, we have the 12-core 9900X Zen 5, which this came out this year, so it's current gen. Some people have been hit and miss and kind of a mixed bag with Zen 5, but I have to say this is the lowest I've seen this processor in a long time since launch. It's usually $499, and now it's down to $382. So that's literally $180 or $130 off, roughly. So over $100 in general. That's a really good deal for a very powerful workhorse that is the 9900X, and it's very good for people who like small form factor builds like HTPC enthusiasts, because it's only 120 watts and it pulls very low heat, and it performs really good at what it does. For you that still have Zen 4 or currently on Zen 4, you may not want to upgrade because the gains are not big in productivity or gaming. But if you're interested in the 900X non-X 3D, link is down below if you're interested in getting that for yourself. Or if you're like a 12-core enthusiast like me, I don't need 16 cores, but I don't want to go as low as 8-core. So you make the decision, links down below. And for the final one, that's for all you gamers out there that just want to do just straight gamers and rip those frames per second. For all the modern titles, like AAA titles like God of War, others like the newer ones like Wukong, those kind of gaming, heavy CPU demanding games. The 7700X works really well in them, and it's been a popular CPU for 8-core enthusiasts for the longest time. And that's usually at $399 stock, even though it's last gen, but now it's down to $267 plus a $7.58 coupon on Amazon, bring it down to a nice $260. So you're literally saving almost $140 from the regular MSRP. That also, for you straight gamers out there, is the link below in the description for all 3D CPUs. But you really have to get these before while the stock lasts, because they've been going out really quickly. And this video, they are still in stock, so you better make moves. Or if you want to do wait 24 hours, you can see if they get lower on actual Black Friday, which is tomorrow. But those who want to pull the trigger now for your upgrade for CPU, any one of these three CPUs are really great options, and they have really big discounts. Biggest discounts I've seen in ages, as they're only about 18 months old. So roughly 2 years old for last gen, and especially the 16-core has the biggest discount to all of them because it's coming from $699 to $465. Whatever your poison for as far as your computer workload, all three of these cover all your bases. And even for those budget people, the 8-core may be up your alley if you just want a budget gaming upgrade. That's just straight for gaming. The 8-core is probably the best for you. And you can make the determination down below. There's a link for all the 9900X, the 7950X, as well as the 7700X, which are all three really good well-running CPUs. Please catch them while they last, because when these kind of good deals with big discounts like this come around, they really go out the door like in minutes. Like, it's literally like they're e-tailers version of doorbusters. So get them when you can. Please let me know what your thoughts are below. Are you looking forward to Black Friday sales? Or you have your eyes on other computer stuff? Comment down below on what you're looking forward to the most for Black Friday. And until then, this is Lock Tech signing out.